Another Ethiopian hidden gem in Dubai. This is the most delicious food in the world for me. Let's go inside and find out. This dish called Beyayenet. In this plate, so you can see the lentil, red lentil, yellow lentil. This is beetroot. We have here also spicy lentil. I saw how they was cooking this. Some extra shiro on the side. This comes with a chickpeas powder, and they add some water, some butter to make this so thick look like this. Beautiful. So before it gets cold, I need to try this. Oh, super hot. Are you ready, guys? This bite from heaven. I love it. Let's have some vegetable here. Now go with this red lentil. Look at this. And this is also the spicy lentil. Oh, mahavaravi.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
I said correct, mahavaravi. This is mahavaravi. Chopped beef. It's come with the onion, tomato, and chili. Let's add some old vegetable in this. There is a lot to explore in Ethiopian restaurant. This is traditional coffee from Ethiopia. Very interesting combination. Salty popcorn and coffee. Oh, it goes into my brain. Perfect thing to end this video. Thank you for watching. See you in another restaurant.